Wow. Today is a big milestone. And I'm sure you're all wondering what it looks like in real life and how it works. Well, want to know more? It's finally here. When it's open, it's a tablet, offering a big screen experience. Thank you. It's gorgeous. When closed, it's a phone that fits neatly inside your pocket. Thank you. Now, of course, I'd get in trouble if I showed you everything today. So, we've discussed the elements of the design. But trust me, there's a device inside here, and it is stunning. The Infinity Flex display represents an entirely new mobile platform. One UI works through two displays. When the device is closed, you have all the benefits of a normal smartphone. The cover display is a fully functioning touchscreen that allows you to use your apps without opening the device. And if you want a bigger screen, you simply unfold it to reveal the full 7.3-inch display. And with app continuity, the app you were using when the device was closed is right there waiting for you when it's open. It's an intuitive, continuous experience between the cover display and the main display.